In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text in your Word document. This is a fantastic feature that many people might overlook, but it's incredibly handy when you need to quickly translate portions of your document. Whether you're working on a multilingual project or need to communicate more effectively with someone who speaks a different language, this tool can be a game changer. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening your Word document and highlighting the specific text that you'd like to translate. It's crucial that you select only the portion you need because Word will focus on this selection as it carries out the translation. Next, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the Review tab. This tab is packed with tools aimed at refining and adjusting your content, and you'll find the translation feature here. Once you've clicked on Review, you'll see a variety of options, but for translations, you need to find and click on Translate. When you click this, two choices will appear, and you should select Translate Selection. This indicates that you want to translate only the text you've highlighted. Now, the moment you click Translate Selection, a translator pane will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Word is often smart enough to detect the language you're starting from, so don't worry if you don't know what it's called off the top of your head. It should auto-detect the source language. However, always double-check to ensure it's correct. This step ensures that the translation results are accurate. Next, you'll need to set the target language, which is the language you wish to translate your selected text into. You can pick from a wide array of languages, which makes this tool incredibly versatile and useful for just about any language translation task you might have. Once you have both your source and target languages set, and you're satisfied with what you see, the translated text will be displayed in the same translator pane. Take a moment to review this translated text thoroughly here. It's important because sometimes, even with sophisticated tools, nuances might not come across perfectly, or there might be phrases you'd like to tweak slightly to better fit your document's context. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to translate text right within Word. By using this built-in feature, you not only save time, but also ensure that your translations are ready to use on the fly. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your work in Word a little easier. Thanks for watching and happy translating.